I can't even see it. Oh my god.
No, there's 10.
I
More than 10. Fuck that.
Do you know the bait, man?
Crow? The crow's the only one that can get for me because they aren't high in the air. They're low on the ground.
Holy shoot.
Back away.
Yeah, let's back away. You don't want to get grumpy, right? Their beaks are harder than... They go like this.
Ah!
They really hurt you.
I got stabbed by a pelican. Or I got poked by a pelican.
Hey, look, it's a crow.
I know, that crow's the smartest one. It stays low. Makes for a good time to strike.
Let's back up, just in case if they get it.
I don't want them shitting on my head, so I'm going to put my hood on.
Wow! Hey, look, it's Emmett.
Who's Emmett?
He's right there.
Who's Emmett?
The guy with
Big one?
yeah, the one on the board. Get back, man.
No.
Let him eat it. I want to see how it happens. Get back!
No.
I'm trying to see what. No, man.
That's my baby.
No, I'm sorry, man.
I'm gonna eat my baby.
Sorry, man. They just had to eat it. No, man. Please, just let him eat it and see how it strikes.
Ah.
Please.
Okay, let's see who goes first.
Let's get back.
At least we have more.
Back.
Oh, yeah,
Back. Back, mate. Just don't strike at them. Okay, let's go more back. Farther? Where this guy is. Stand right here.
Watch
See.
out, teacher.
Well, they're pretty excited. Make sure they take it away. Don't leave any food on this
Yeah, we know.
grounds.
Yeah.
Back up.
Back up, back up,
Look
back
at
up.
them. They're flying above us. Why us?
What the heck did you do?
Crow, 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 crow. Look at the food. Look at the food.
Oh, snap.
Our first strike. Oh, fuck.
Oh, snap. Well, there goes all our
Look at them fight for it.
food.
Look at that last piece. He's gonna get the last
Oh,
piece.
snap. Oh, snap. Everyone's
No
coming.
one wants the last piece. Oh, fuck. Ah, where are you going? There's one more. Idiots.
Man, don't swear my,
There they are. Hey, that's not swearing.
Oh. I can't see you.
Hi. Dude, look
What?
at all them. For one piece of, samosa things.
Holy shit.
Quadopsas. What are the other called?
Wait.
Medinas.
Back up. Back up.
Hungry are you, dumb.
No, man. Let's sit here until they strike. I'm just gonna look at that
You
thing.
got watch. If the crow goes for it, if a crow comes back and goes for it, they'll go for it.
We're waiting for the best timing.
If you want to play Don't Hit the Dante? No? Okay.
Yep. See ya.
Why are you filming this? Oh, we're filming. Oh, there's the first crow. That means they're all coming down now.
Oh, snap.
That's the most.
I can't see the.
Okay, they're all going for it now. Here they come. No, they don't. Are they gonna let him eat it all? Oh, that guy only wants a little. Here they come.
Holy.
Ah!
One of them pooped. I got in shot.
I saw that.
Where the heck did it go?
Do we have more, don't we?
Yeah.
Shit, look at all that. Look at that money. Joshua Jimmy. That's actually your last name.
Yeah. Okay, man. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, you ready? Throw them as far as you can.
Who's the teacher?
Oh, snap! Holy shit!
My dinner.
My dinner, boss! My dinner!
This guy.
Throw them.
Run!
Oh, shit. Oh, snap. I get in the Seagulls. Oh, snap.
They're all gonna chase him for that.
This is my food! Now get out of here! Oh, look at that pack!
Look at how far that time is
Man!
Let's do a social experiment.
What is it? Did you go for that?
Look, look.
Holy shit, man. They think we have more. You don't, man.
Let's see if they'll eat that tinfoil.
Man.
See who goes for it.
So yours is 15 minutes away? 10 minutes, I mean?
Mine is Cook and North Park.
North Park.
Cook and Oaks Park. 1116 North Park. That's my address.
Yeah, I don't know my address.
Wait, why did I just say my address? This is on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Oh no. Do you have a lot of subscribers?
Not very many.
Okay, good. So no one will know.
But I'll soon be.
No, none of them want the tinfoil. I think the social experiment failed. Wait.
We should able to go and wait, I have 7 subscribers.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel? Josh Jimmy?
Yeah. Joshua Jimmy.
Oh. Is your full name Joshua or Josh?
Joshua. Doesn't matter. Josh or Joshua.
My brother's name is Joshua.
And that girl said her yeah, I shouldn't say that. Then my whole family will know.
Oh, about the secret?
Yeah, about the secret.
They watch your channel?
Yeah. They subscribe to it and then click the bell. Remember that girl was there with the blue jacket?
Yeah.
Remember she said?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't tell anyone that, okay?
She didn't even have a blue jacket.
I like blue jacket, okay, man?
Oh, you're pointing at me. Oh.
Yeah.
Turn it around. Turn it around. Make it face you. Make it face something else. Wait. Stop.